Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'll be showing you how I style my hair using my Texture Crush clip-ins, so keep watching. So many of you have seen me use Texture Crush clip-ins previously. In this video, I am using my 16-inch and 18-inch Kinky Crush clip-ins. Now, of course, the original color was in a natural black state, so of course, to blend my hair a little bit better, I needed to color it in order for my hair color and the clip-ins to match a little bit better. Now, these clip-ins are 100% virgin hair, and I love that there's so many different choices for lengths. You can have a shorter length, you can have a longer length, you can have a mixture of both. It's completely up to you, but I like that there's so many choices. I also like that this hair is super easy to manage. It blends very smoothly with my natural hair, and I especially like that there's not a lot of shedding. That's really important, especially with your clip-ins. You don't want to have a lot of the hairs all over the ground when you're styling your hair, and especially after taking it out and you wash it, you just don't want a lot of that mess. And I love that these clip-ins don't really have a lot of shedding. I like using these clip-ins for versatility and to create volume. My hair has grown a lot and has really created a lot of volume on its own, but I love adding these clip-ins to just make the look come together and just look full of life. I love big hair, so this definitely allows me to create a lot of looks where I have big hair. In the set, there's a total of 6 pieces. And like I said, you can get multiple lengths to really switch up your look. If you want it to be all one length, you can do that as well. But there's a lot of options, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try this style out. I put all the info for Texture Crush clip-ins in the description area. And until then, I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!